M157 high pressure pumps. Couple of weeks ago I changed on one car the high pressure pumps and the low pressure pump that's in the fuel tank, and if you remember the previous video, one pump is stuck, it was completely compressed, the spring. Actually this is it, this is the pump that's stuck, and the other one, when it was pushing down, it's grabbing. I mean, it does have, yes, yeah, it's stuck completely now after all this time. Okay, so I'm opening now this. I already put on the lathe machine and I cleaned this surface here. This is a previous one that I opened earlier, a couple of months ago. This mark what has this one, I did that mark because that time I cut this pump with a grinder. I put on the lathe machine spinning on low RPMs, and I put the grinder here between, like this, and that's why I make this mark here on the piston. So in this case here, because I didn't want to hurt the piston, I put on the lathe machine and I clean only this side here, because I want to see the condition of the piston inside, if I'm able to unstack it, because it's not going anywhere now. Okay, I'm gonna try to open it. When I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna start the camera again. And once again, I have seen that before, it's not the first time. This scratch here, this piston is supposed to go, supposed to slide easily inside. Yeah, I hammer it to come out. Actually, I grab it here on the vise, and then I will start hitting the pump at this spot to come out and turn it at the same time. The same thing I did also to remove the spring. That's why it has this mark here and here. This pump, that before there was a problem with the pump, somebody broke this one. If you see this pump, the piston, it's supposed to slide like that inside. Again, this mark here, it's from me. It's been by me, from the grinder. This one, it happened because of the lack of fuel. Because the fuel itself, it's cooling and lubricating this piston. And here, no, this is the piston is this from this pump that has a problem. If you put it here, it comes up one spot where it's meeting these scratches. Obviously cannot insert more inside. Come on, focus please. Yeah. Okay, now. This inside the temperature became like an egg. So I will have one pump for scrap, I have another pump for scrap, and another one over here for scrap. But also this is stuck. Yeah, when I'm gonna find the time, I'm gonna make also this one. Just to compare it, I'm gonna keep also these two. And later on I'm gonna make that again. To compare all three of them.